The rain poured. Sophia, late for her evening shift at the cafe, sped through the puddles on her motorbike. A flash of yellow, a scream, then everything went black. When Sophia awoke, a throbbing pain pulsed in her head. Disoriented, she saw a man beside her hospital bed, his arm in a cast. He had kind eyes, framed by worry lines, and a reassuring smile. He introduced himself as David. Sophia had hit him with her motorbike. Guilt washed over Sophia. She wanted to disappear. She had not only injured him but also ruined his day, maybe even his life. She braced herself for anger, for accusations. "It was an accident," David said, his voice gentle. "These things happen. Don't blame yourself." His words, full of unexpected kindness, surprised Sophia. The days that followed were a blur of pain and guilt for Sophia. David, despite his injuries, remained incredibly understanding. He visited her every day, bringing her favorite books and sharing stories that made her laugh. Sophia learned that David was a writer, 10 years her senior, with a quiet wisdom that drew her in. He never complained about the accident, focusing instead on her well-being. His kindness chipped away at her guilt, replacing it with a budding sense of gratitude and something more. She found herself looking forward to his visits, her heart skipping a beat whenever he entered her room. His presence was like a warm blanket on a cold night, comforting and reassuring. Sophia realized she was falling for the man she had accidentally run over. Weeks turned into months. Sophia recovered and David's arm healed. Their bond, forged in the crucible of the accident, grew stronger. They spent hours talking, sharing their dreams, fears and hopes. David's calm demeanor balanced Sophia's impulsiveness. His life experiences provided a different perspective that she found refreshing. They were different, yet their differences seemed to complement each other. Their age difference, initially a concern for Sophia, became insignificant. It was David's kindness, his humor, his ability to see the world in shades of gray that she fell in love with. Love, unexpected and true, blossomed between them. Their friends and family, initially surprised, embraced their unique bond. They saw the love in their eyes, the care they had for each other, and they knew it was something special. 2 years after the accident, David, on bended knee, with tears in his eyes, asked Sophia to marry him. "You came into my life like a whirlwind," he said, his voice thick with emotion, and turned it upside down. "But I wouldn't have it any other way. Marry me, Sophia. Let me spend the rest of my life loving you." Sophia, tears streaming down her face, whispered yes. Their wedding was a joyous occasion, filled with laughter, love, and the quiet understanding that sometimes life's greatest love stories begin with the most unexpected encounters. The accident, once a source of pain and guilt, became a reminder of the fragility of life and the enduring power of love.